In 9 seasons of HGTV's Flip or Flop, Christina Haack has seen her fair share of both flips and flops.
This is a big house and the kitchen's like literally 100 square feet.
Now it's her second marriage that has turned out to be a flop. Haack filed for a divorce from contractor Ant Anstead last fall after a mere 21 months of marriage. So Haack is ready to flip the Newport Beach mansion that they renovated and resided in together. Haack is looking to get $6 million for the 4,800 square foot, 5-bedroom, fully furnished home. That's almost $2 million more than her purchase price. According to property records, she is the sole owner, having bought it 6 months before she married Anstead. Although she may not have to sell, she may just want a fresh start. Similarly, Haack and her former husband, Tariq Al Musa, sold their Yorba Linda house in 2018, shortly after their divorce. Located in the Santa Ana Heights area of Newport Beach, this home is close to a nature reserve that has popular hiking and biking trails. It's also near Newport Harbor and Lido Isle, a hotspot for shopping and dining. Haack's coastal farmhouse taste is impeccable, with on-trend upgrades like wide plank wood floors, industrial-style windows, white exposed beams, and a pretty neutral palette throughout. The big backyard and pool also make this an excellent spot for a family with kids and folks who like to entertain. While Christina on the coast is now Christina on the move, we'll definitely keep an eye on where she lands next.